Hello everybody, it's Mindy and we're having a great day today. I hope you're having a great day today. I'm in a mood, just be prepared. So I have some things to show you here. It is from PaintSomeWay. And I had a theme apparently in mind when I was picking these out. You'll see what I mean when we get into it. Are you ready? Are you ready? I'm ready. All right, I hope you're having a great day. If you're new here, you know, I'm not always like this, but sometimes I am. And sometimes it's fun and sometimes you're just like, oh, what is going on? Anyhow, if you enjoy this, you could, you know, subscribe and hang around for a while because every once in a while you'll get the goofy Mindy, and today's that day. I'm a little tired. I didn't get as much sleep last night. Toolkit has some tweezers. Need some tweezers? So I'm a little, you know, punchy. I got a lot to do and I'm just rolling it. All right, so what's our first item? Looks super cute to me. Can you see it yet? Can you see it? I don't know. All right, so it was around Easter time when I placed this order. He's one-sided, so he's got white stuff on the back, like a paper film on the back, so everything doesn't just shine through. But look at, he's a cute little bunny rabbit. Bunny. Oh my gosh, talk about the bunnies, you guys. They're everywhere. Everywhere I look around here, there are bunny rabbits. It's spring, folks. It's spring. Cute, though. It's this acrylic, this thicker acrylic, and he will stand up in his little stand like this. You got to take all this, you got to take the plastic off. And this has a plastic film on it. You got to take that off too. And then everything fits together nicely. But he'll go in there. Look, he'll go in there right now. Kind of. There he goes. And then he's just a little tabletop. Hello. Well, he's crooked. He went in. One end went all the way in and the other end didn't. Like I said, you got to take the papers off first. It works much better when you take all the paper off. Cute, right? Cute. Love it. All right. Here's special drills. Let's look at it. Look, he's going to stand up for us. How you doing? Oh boy, oh boy. I don't know. Love is in the air. Spring is in the air. Something's going on. All right, here we go. Where's the rhinestone end? I want the rhinestones first. I don't know why. I always do the rhinestones first and then show you the fun stuff. I don't know what that is. Light. Cream. Not cream. No, clear. Champagne. What is that? I don't know what that is. It has almost no color. Brown? Maybe? Okay. What? I don't know what's going on here. Bunny rabbit colors? Maybe. Pink, gold, orange, green, clear, purple, red, blue. Did we miss anything? Oh, I love these. I got these recently in a kit. These little flowers, they're so cute. I love these. I don't think we're going to use a lot of them. That means I'll have extras. Ooh. I love those. Those are so cute. I love them. Cobalt blue flowers. We have some marquee, clear but iridescent. Ooh, clear iridescent shards. I don't think I've ever had the clear iridescent ones before. Oh, and then my friend. Hello, welcome slivers to our world. At least they're purple, right? All right, okay, yeah, at least they're purple. Where do those blue flowers go? On here, on the blue flowers. That's where the blue flowers go. And where do my shards go? Where are the shards? Down here. See them right there? There's some. Not very many. Some right here. Just a few here and there. I love it. Okay, that's good. I love it. That's great. Okay, so that was one. Got for Easter. Here's the next one. Dun, 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 dun. Isn't she cute? She's a girl. She's a girl gnome. She's a girl gnome. And she's got leopard print. How hot is she? She's a hot girl. Yeah, love her. I love it. And then all of these sunflowers. How cute. We got like a plaid around the outside edge. It has 22 colors, 2 legends, 1 on each side. Do you want to see it up close? Let's look at her hair. Look at her hair. She has braids and she has a leopard print hat. Boots in the fur. Oh, I told you guys. Just hold on for the ride. Oh, drills. It says, welcome sunshine. Today, I can actually say that. Today we have sunshine, and it's going to be 60. Did you hear me? 60. That's, yeah. Woo. I'm excited. I need to get this filming done so I can get outside. Let's go outside. All right, here we go. We're going backwards. Let's roll it backwards. We have white, green, peachy colors, brown, and we're twisted. We got a twist in our, never mind. Browns, blue, brown, orange, peachy color, yellow, green, 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 the green, 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 the green, green, green. There's a song. I don't know what it is. What is that? Black. Black. Yes, because we have all that black lettering and in her hat. And yellow and purple. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Isn't it cute? What do you think? I love when I find a girl gnome. I'm all excited when I get a girl. Yep. They're a little more rare. Okay, what about that? I'm telling you, this was all like springy summer vibe here. Springy summer vibes. This one is Special Drill. Now, I thought this was interesting because the background just appeared like red. It's pretty much all red. And then the butterflies were blue and yellow. They're going to pop off, you know, that canvas. I thought they were interesting. All right, here we go. Oh, that's all specials right there. This is all rhinestones. Okay, we have a strip of rhinestones and a strip of specials. Let's start with gold and purple and black. That's black. That's not a rhinestone. And we have blue, 2 bags of red. I told you there's a lot of red. And then clear. All right, so that's the rhinestones for that one. And then, well, it must be a shard kind of day, you guys, because there's some more clear shards. Clear shards. Red teardrops. I love these. These are so much fun. And these are beautiful. The red marquee. Iridescent. Orange claws. I'll probably always call them orange claws. Green. Those are smooth. Those are cool. I like those. And these are red, but those are faceted. And then we have these interesting ones that are actually clear. The clear crystal on the bottom and the gold on the top. I don't know why they do it that way. Why don't they just do gold? I don't know. I don't know. I don't make them. I just do them. But how cute is that? Shards. Shards. Okay. All the centers of these flowers are going to be the shards. That's okay. I can deal with that. I can deal with that. That's all right. Not too many of them. Okay. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. All right. Let's go back to one of these guys. Here. Did you know they all have a toolkit? Yeah, I showed you one of those. The other one had tweezers though. Welcome. Welcome to our hive. With the plaid again, right? Seriously, won't these like go together if you wanted them to, right? Look, the plaid. We got the girl up there, and this has a girl and a boy. They're a couple. She's single. She's looking for a boy gnome. But, honey, it's spring. Just hold on. Oh, God. Okay, but isn't that cute? How cute. We got the truck. I love the truck. And we got this banner on the truck. I want one of these trucks, right? I want a truck. And then the gnomes, and they're just covered with bees. Bees, 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 bees everywhere. Those are good bees. Those are the honey bees. Those are good bees. Look, he's even got antlers. Oh, God. Oh, he's got his feelers like he's a bug himself. Oh, Welcome to our hive. Looks good, doesn't it? Looks good. It shows up good. Confetti, 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 confetti. There's really no multi-placing here. A little bit over here in the white. Have fun with the white. A little bit here. Well, a little, not much. Okay. These things really aren't, I mean, these little small ones are really, really a lot of confetti most of the time. But 21 colors. All letters. There are 2 legends. I bet we're going to have a lot of yellow, orange, and black. What do you want to bet? Anybody want to take that bet? No, you don't want to take that bet. All right, look at that. Look how bright that yellow is. How pretty, right? What is this? Black. Is it black? Yeah. It's number 2. It's black. All right. Gray, gray, and gray. Orange, orange, and orange, and yellow. And static. We got static. They're sticking. Pink. Peach. Brown. Green. I'm surprised there's this much green. Where's the green going? I don't know. What do you call this? Butterscotch? Gray? Gray? Lots of gray. Here's your white, 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 white. And that's like ecru. I call it ecru. But I don't know what it is really. It is number 21. It is 3866. There you go. What do you think? What do you think? I really think these two will go together. You go over here. Hang on. You go over there. You go over there. Separate these drills, you know. Separate them because, you know, it's spring. But won't they go together nicely? I mean, I think they will. Look. How can we do this? There we go. What do you think? Cute, right? Cute. I loved it. There's a couple more in this, like, you know, theme. Maybe I ordered them. I don't know. We'll find out. Anyhow, I'm done with the Silly Mindy show. So I hope you enjoyed. It was fun doing it. It was fun. Anyhow, thanks for hanging out for a little while. I'll link these below if you are interested. I mean, who can't be interested in those? Aren't they adorable? They're adorable. Come on. Okay, I'm done. Have a great day. I'm going out to be in the sun. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun. I said, I gotta go. Bye-bye.